Hi. Today we are starting this workshop with Olympus Kids, and along with me is the founder of the company, Mr. Kunal. Kunalji, why are you looking at franchising Olympus Kids, and what's the goal that you have in mind, and what's the expectation you have from this workshop?
See, basically, our entire thing of starting off a franchisee was that we spread whatever quality education we are doing in our school to various parts of our country and even abroad. And and so that the whole perspective is that we try and educate, try and give good quality and happy education to kids all around the country and the world. That's our basic aim to start with Olympus Kids. And in Dehradun, we've been doing uh, good work. We've been graded as A plus category school for the past 6 years, and even our junior school has been getting very good response in terms of quality education, in terms of overall development, in terms of giving good and happy education to children. And that's what our motto always has been, that one should always provide good and happy kids all around you and make sure that they have good and happy childhood. That's our motto, basically. Yeah.
Fantastic. So, what's
Yeah.
the expectation from this workshop? I mean, you've been thinking about franchising Olympus Kids for some time
Yes, we've
now.
been
What do you
thinking.
expect here?
See, basically, see, there are two ways of managing a school. A is the academic part. B is financial, and third is the marketing. Now, I'll be very honest with you. We've never been very good marketers, and every now, if I want to become uh, expert in academics, I want to become expert in financial thing, I want to become an expert in marketing, it is not possible. So our aim to get come to you is that we expect a good marketing team with us to market what we are doing. See, today marketing is a very important part of any organization, and without marketing, without a professional help in marketing, it is not possible to reach out to people. Make it gets difficult for a branding to happen. And I'll be very honest with you that I have never been great with marketing. I'm not a professional. I might be good at administration and running the school, but marketing is not my forte. And that's why we've approached your company as a professional company to look into this area and help us in marketing our new franchisee brand, so that we are able to get a good market for our school, and we are able to showcase what we are doing, whatever
Great.
good work we are doing. Yes.
Great. So, marketing, as you said, is a very, very important aspect of any business and
Any
building any
organization.
business, right? So
Yeah.
we'll help you structure the franchise model correctly, and then market the franchise model, and expand the brand across the country and
Correct.
internationally. I think you have international
Right.
aspirations as well. So
Correct.
we'll get started off with this workshop. I'm going to come back to you at the end of the day and
Right.
ask you if you've achieved the objectives that we set out for. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi. We've just completed the franchise workshop phase one for Olympus Kids. With me is the founder of the company. Uh, I'll straight away go to him and ask him what the feedback is of this particular exercise, and is it now very clear in terms of the franchise model that we've developed for them, and any other key takeaways from this particular exercise. Over to you.
Uh, Good afternoon. The franchisee model, what we thought, there was so much of clarity in the entire conversation today. Um, the operations, the financials, the administration and how to go forward was made clear, and the kind of support we are going to get from Franchisee Bazaar and the kind of marketing they're going to do with us. And we look forward to get to do more associations with your organization and work towards building more brands, better brands. And we feel very privileged that we have a very strong support of marketing with us, and we'll do great things together in future.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
big
I'm
thank you.
looking forward to this journey, and I'm sure we'll build a great brand in Olympus Kids to start with, and then we'll take the Olympus
Yes.
High model as well as we go forward. Thank you so much, Kunal.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.